are we kidding? We can't pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing to jump. 'Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving.
So, welcome to our new home. They left us a welcome gift, guys. A bottle of wine, something for our little doggy, of which, here they go. All right, so we are currently giving you a tour of our luxury apartment in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. And look who's gracing us with their presents.
Oh, you couldn't wait?
Enter the apartment, you have our little entrance, and then we have our coat closet, which we will not need, obviously, because we don't have coats anymore. Y'all, I can't wait to get in on this pantry. Just look at this. I could literally...
Hey, you walked in on your pantry, huh?
Hello, welcome to my pantry. So much space. It's a great kitchen. Love the subway tiles. So we have our luxury, what do you call this? Subway tiles. What I love the most, guys,
Just the wine rack.
The wine. The wine rack, yes. The double fridge. Because, you know, I never have a double fridge before, so.
No stove top.
I like that. I actually do not like this. I'm a gas girl. And so, most of the stoves down here do have this electric kind of situation, which I don't love it, but it's nice. I just don't, I need to be able to gauge my fire. I love that we have the farmhouse sink, you know? Farmhouse. It's called farmhouse sink. What's up? Double doors! I bet y'all thought that was our bedroom. I did too. It's just a washer and dryer, but you know, they had to have the theatrics to go with it. Alright, so eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's go to our bedroom first.
Okay.
We have our living room. Don't you love the gray tiles? Our gray wood floor.
It's into our room.
Okay, so into the bedroom.
Master bedroom, which has a smaller closet.
Thanks for pointing it out. So this is the master bedroom, which we have a walk-in closet. Right now, we don't know what's going to be what, but it's really big.
Yeah.
Hubby and I will obviously share that.
The amazingly good bathroom. Like, this is the coolest sink bathtub ever.
Okay, then we have kind of like storage in here.
Linen closet.
Linen closet. And what we do like is the double vanity. This is Hubby's because I'm putting him closer to the toilet.
Because I'm the
Stop making me fall. Alright, let's go to Taylor's bedroom.
The Taylor and music interview. We're in my room now, and in my room there's a bathroom, there's a door right there and a door right here. Mean to me, that's what
He has a little white fur on his belly. He's going to get bigger as he gets bigger.
Taylor's closet is so humongous.
He wants to take apart my closet. Tell him it's wrong.
Like, this closet is a mini room.
That's because it's his room.
Like, it's
You can't interrupt
crazy.
his room.
Guys, you see how huge this closet is.
It makes me lose control.
We can't pretend that we have changed yet, but who are we kidding?
She has her own bathroom that also has a double vanity. And a soaking tub, which you guys know, that will be mine, yeah? One last thing to show you, and it's outside. So we are currently like right across from the pool, but what's so nice is that hubby's all the way over there, right? So this is one wing of our patio, and then I'm just gonna, you know, take a stroll.
Where you going?
A whole nother side.
What?
Oh,
Y'all see this?
other side. Guys, he has his own side over there. I have my own side over here. Actually, he's over here. I'm over there. You know, my egg chair, his hammock will be right here. I think we're good. What do you guys think? Maybe we can show you our 3-level clubhouse. It's very nice. Insert footage.